Hello people and welcome back to another epic and entertaining episode on NorthernOnTariodashCam channel. This time we prepared a special episode that you're gonna love it. Today's episode is dedicated to bad drivers who get instant karma knock on their door just moments after their reckless behavior. Enjoy on this one. Driver went through a one-way street and an officer was not forgiving this time around. Next time, he should pay more attention to where he's driving. Speeding on the highway can only get you in huge trouble. Whether it's an accident or an instant karma moment, it's just not worth it. Driver was speeding way too much for his own good in the left lane. He thought that he was something special and this type of behavior would slide through, but not tonight, no sir. One driver was speeding on the highway, but he didn't realize it would cost him a lot. As I always said it, speeding gets you into trouble and nothing more.
I had the guardrail. Another one down there.
Don't mess around at the traffic lights like this driver here. He ran a red light and, let's just say, it didn't go well for him.
You dumbass. What? Yes! Instant karma! Dude ran a red light and a cop got him. Oh, that is great.
Driver in the left lane was going 10 miles per hour over the speed limit. And he didn't expect a police officer to wait for him over the hill. Karma served like an ice-cold dish.
rain a little while back. So it's gonna get hot in here. Like, get ready. Now's the time to go grab the fans and the air conditioning units that you waited to refill, because it's coming back here, gang. Right, and that's about right. Usually we get a couple weeks of the 90s.
Yeah.
It fits.
That made me so happy.
Me too.
Gotcha.
With this clip we conclude another Instant Karma episode on TheironTruthS channel. I hope that you enjoyed watching these epic moments. Make sure to stick to traffic rules because you can never know when and where a cop is watching from. Don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.